The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Dancehall. This morning, I get a video from Miami. The video of the fantan Moja in there. I make some really defamatory argument. I don't know where he get these things, but he must tell me how he get that, where he get that from. Me want fantan Moja in all I travel to tell me which white woman they remember used to meet the way. He must tell me where he get this argument about the meet the white woman. And the second thing, the female we mentioned as it relates to Bob. Which continent and when him hear me say that? When him hear me call a woman upon the radio, he must tell me that because I have to talk to me lie about it. So if you know answer me, he must answer lie about where him get, because that is inflammatory, not only for me, but for the woman who mentioned in the something. You understand? And obviously she have to hear it. And then no, him not going to concern with me alone. But I forgot to talk to him friend them. He must forgot to talk to me, the public. Maybe more have to apologize to, because he have to tell me the evidence we have for the two things that we mentioned. He must forgot to have the evidence. I must to turn up on the radio and apologize about it.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I am here again, big up and respect to each and every one. Now, I just presented to you pieces of audios that have been put together and put out there on social media, where it is said that Mutabarooka responded to some things that fantan Moja said about him. You see? Now, viewers and subscribers, if any of you do not have a full understanding as to what this whole thing is about, I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video, and if you click that link will take you to a video that I posted that shows when fantan Moja talk about Mutabarooka. You see me? Yeah. I think if you listen to that video, you might get a better understanding as to what this whole thing is about. You understand? Alright, so you can let me know what to think about those pieces of audios, and I'm going to move on to a video. You see? Now, I'm going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and I'm going to warn you from right now that some of the things shown in this video, some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not want to see this. You see me? This video is out on social media where it is said that an elderly white woman spit repeatedly on a black woman. Viewers and subscribers, I'm telling you from right now, you see me? Because this video shows something that can be upsetting to some of you, my viewers and subscribers. You understand me? Alright, so I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself, and you can also let me know what you think. Alright, and I will tell you what I think about the video after I present the video to you. Alright, now some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
One sir. You want more?
Viewers and subscribers, you know, there's not much I'm going to say about that video that I just presented to you, but you know, I respect the way how the African descendant female just maintained her cool and did not retaliate in any way that is violent or bad. You understand me? Yeah, I respect that. You see me? Not because someone is of age, that don't give them the right to be disrespectful to anyone or to do things that are bad to anyone. Not because someone is of age. No, you see me? Yeah, so don't render evil for evil. You see me? I say, and the video is right there so persons can see what happened, and if necessary, she can report it to the necessary authorities or the police and let the persons know what happened. You understand? Yeah, so don't render evil for evil. You see me? Alright, let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you, and I'm going to move on to another video. Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, according to some things that have been said about this video on social media, it is said that the video shows a man who had been accused of sleeping with a female who is in her teens while he was in a relationship with another female. Listen to me. Some persons might call that cheating. That's what I'm saying to you. However, there seems to be some form of confusions on social media about this video. Yeah, seems to be some form of confusion. You see me? So I'm going to ask you a few questions before I present this video to you. Alright? Now, based on some of the things that you're about to hear in this video, you see me? Is this man being accused of having sex with the daughter of the female who he is in a relationship with? Or is this man being accused of having sex with someone else's daughter while he is in a relationship with a female? Alright? Let me know what you think about this video that I'm about to present to you. Alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
When you sleep with a man on a bed like this, he picking up your daughter, 18 years, to go and fuck. In a hotel. This man. Watch. This is my bedroom I'm showing you here. He locked me out of my house. This is my bedroom. He's on my bed. This is a king size bed, watch. Refuse to show your face, refuse to get up. I want to show you a prick. Where your daughter was feeling up. Day before.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, you see, in the video, I hear where the female said, your daughter. You see me? Yeah, your daughter. You see me? If the person was sleeping with the daughter of the person talking in the background of the video, I think the person would say, my daughter. You see me? That's how me look at it. But anyways, maybe me not hear right. So you can tell me if me not hear right. You see me? However, on social media, some of the comments gave me the understanding that the person shown in the video had been accused of sleeping with the daughter of a woman he's in a relationship with. But in my point of view, I'm not so sure that is actually accurate. Anyways, you can let me know what to think about the video that I just presented to you. And with that, I'm going to move on to another video. You see it? The next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a female who said some things that gave me the understanding that she said that she had a bad experience when she took a taxi. You see me? Yeah, according to some things that she said, I got the understanding that she said that she had a bad experience between her and the taxi driver. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, I want to point it out to each and everyone out there that they should be careful. Be very careful when you're taking public transportations out there. You see me? Yeah, if possible, if you can take a public transportation vehicle of a person who you know, do so. You see me? But just be careful, because a lot of bad things is happening out there. You understand? And I'm talking to both male and females out there. You see me? Anyways, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at the video and you can let me know what you think about some of the things that this female has said. Alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Good morning, all. Stand up here by City Gate. I don't know if you can hear me. I'm still shaking. I had a horrible encounter just now with a taxi. I was coming down, took a taxi, and the man started to make passes at me. Started to talk about my voice, started to talk about whatever. And of course I rebuffed him. And in order to distract myself from the thing, I took out my phone. I reached my destination and I was about to take out took out my fare. And when I took out as I was taking out my fare, because I was in the front seat, he just turned around and said, "Family, I could take you on a ride. I could take you on a ride." And I looked up from my bag, and he was literally leaning over me, and I just balled with the ass, and I just bowled. And when I tried to take a photograph of the license plate, he drove off very quickly. Now, this is not a PH car, this is a H car. And so it just goes to show you what can happen to you when you're just taking an innocent ride into town. And I was the last passenger in the car. It's very frightening. Still shaking. I don't know. Hi Razia. I don't know what is up, but there's something sinister going on. I have to be even more careful. I'm still nervous. I have to settle myself because I have a next taxi to go to reach my destination. And so just say some prayers that everything will be safe. Alright, goodbye.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? You can let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you in this video, you see me, and you can also let me know what you think about the pieces of audios that I presented to you as well, you see. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright, so until the next time, wanna big up on yourself, you see it.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.